Our lives are impacted by a number of factors such as the date, time and place of birth. Our sun, moon and rising signs are also an important factor in how our lives turn out. Our planetary placements in our birth chart give the shape to our personalities, our decision-making, our character, and our ability to handle both happy and challenging situations. However, we face different kinds of phases of life, some happy, some sad, some frustrating, some confusing, all due to how different phases are impacted by our planetary placements. And then they are given added flavor and twists and turns through the different transits of planets which keep happening all the time, some slowly and some faster. Phases of life such as the Shade Sati, which is a long 7.5 year period, the dasha or period of a badly placed or afflicted planet, or in a bad dosha or yoga, all contribute to how our lives are impacted. It is always useful to know what our rising sign is, in what dignity our planets are placed, what are the strong planets in our horoscope, and what are the weak or challenge-giving planets in the chart. And this helps us traverse the journey of life with confidence, with care, with right decision-making. And this also helps us make use of the good phases and traverse carefully the challenging phases. This channel, Easy Astrology, is an attempt to make astrology easy for all of us, giving us information in an easy manner on our placements. So you can in an easy manner and style find out about your rising sign and what character and personality it gives you. What different planets placed in different signs mean in our charts. And also what are the good periods and challenging periods for us. There will be hundreds of videos on different combinations and permutations on planetary placements added on a day-to-day basis. This is to cater to different placements and people needing more in-department information in an easy manner. So please subscribe to the channel and make use of the information to lead a more informed life and to also understand more about your friends and loved ones. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now.